Alright boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. I came across this cool song which I love from Magixx and AYRA STARR. This one is called Love Don't Cost a Dime. So true, so true. So cool song, only 3 chords, it's basic here. And we have this melody going on. So we can choose to play either way, mix it up, and that's great. So let's start right away. Capo on 4th fret, that I believe is the best scenario here to get the easiest melody going on here. You can play it on the 1st fret, this capo, and you will get different chords, but this one I believe is the easiest way. So capo on 4th, and let's go over the 3 chords we need. Okay, so first the A major 7. All right, so that is open A, 2nd D, 1st G, 2nd B, and open E. Next chord will be C sharp minor 7. Like that. So that's a bar on the 4th fret. From the A string and down, that means 5 strings. And the rest will be 6 on the D string and 5th on the B string. And the final chord is B. All right, so like that. A bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string and down, so 5 strings there. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 4th on B. What I do for this song, I just put a bar here on the 4th fret from the D string and down. And yeah, I try to stay away from the last string there, all right, the E string. And that's just how I do it. So there you have the 3 chords, all right? So let's look at the melody first and the patterns there. So it's based, of course, on these chords. So the first A major 7 chord, and the melody for that one will sound like this. That's 1 round, and you will play that for 3 rounds. So so you hold the chord as it is, then you're gonna play the open A, the 2nd D, the 2nd B, and the 1st G. That's 1 round. So open A, 2nd D, 2nd B, and 1st G. So that's the rhythm. A, D, B, G, A, D, B, G, like this. Alright, I use my fingers here, my different fingers for each and every string. That's how I'm used to play, since I've played classic Spanish music since I was a little boy. So that's why I use my different fingers. You can use a pick if you wish. You play that for 3 rounds, alright? Then we switch to the C sharp minor 7 based melody. Okay, for this one you can use 2 different grips. You can use the C sharp chord as it is, or you can do it in an easier way, in my opinion, and that's how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna show you both ways. So the first and the best way, in my opinion, is to, from this A major 7 chord, keep that index finger on the 1st fret G string and let everything else go, and put your finger on the 4th fret A string, since you have the bass there. All right, so it's a little bit stretchy, not that much. It's pretty common to have it across 4 different frets like this, but that is the grip you need for this version. And if you have that, you're gonna play this. So that will be 4th on A string, then 1st on G, then open E, and open B. That's the pattern, and you play that only for this 1 round. Okay, so that's it. So you go from the A major 7 3 times, then quick up here, pretty convenient transition there. And then you're gonna play the next part, but first I'm gonna show you how it's done with the actual chord here for the C sharp. So instead of this grip here, you can play the C sharp, then you have to jump up here to this chord on the 4th fret with the bar and everything. And when you have the chord there, you're gonna play the A string, 4th fret, the D string, 6th fret, the B string, 5th fret, and the G string, 4th fret, which you have barred here. So A, D, B, G. So 2 different ways there. Or the same, all right? So 1 round of that, either way. And then we have the final part based on the B chord. And here you have to hold the chord as it is. And like I said, I use the bar on both places here. 1 on the 2nd fret and 1 on the 4th fret, like this. And when you have that, you're gonna play 2nd on A string. So 2nd on A, then 4th on D, then 4th on B, and 4th on G. So 2nd A, 4th D, 4th B, and 4th G. You play that for 3 rounds, right? And after these 3 rounds comes this melody here. So it goes like this. Okay? And that will be started here on this A string. So you play it on the 2nd fret A. Then you slide up to 4th. So you don't have to pick this string 2 times. So just slide like this. And then you add the 6th fret A string. So it's 2nd, 4th, 6th. And then comes the 4th fret D string. Then 6th fret D string. And then you can play the open B and open E. So that's it. So 2nd A, slide up to 4th A, pick the 6th A, 4th D, 6th D, open B, and open E. Like this. So that's the melody you need for this song. So slowly it will be like this. So that's it. And yeah, let's go over to the chords. The chords are the same like we went through, okay? So it will be A major 7 to the C sharp and to the B, all right? So with that, we need to look at the strumming pattern. And that will be, if we illustrate that with the A major chord, since that is the first one, it will be down, down, up, clap, down. So so down, down, up, clap, down, 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 up, clap, down. Like this. And you're gonna play that for the same amount of times as we played this patterns for the melody. So that means 3 times on A major 7, then 1 time you go up here to the C sharp minor 7, and then you can choose to play 3 times on the B, and you end with this melody. Or you can just move on with 4 times for B and no melody. So you could do like this. 3 times. Then 1. 3 times. And go on. And you can also do after the C sharp minor. And then play 4 times. the B. And so on. All right, so that's it. Magixx and AYRA STARR, Love Don't Cost a Dime. So cool song to know. Very summery feeling. I get the summer feeling of the song, so that's great. So yeah, good luck with this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if it was helpful, please let me know. Leave a comment. So see you soon. And don't forget, play tuned.